Come on, Jelly Girl. Come on, Jelly Girl. I call you Jelly Roll. I like Jelly Rolls. Come on, Jelly. Jelly Belly. Lily. Hi, Jelly Belly. Hi, Jelly Belly. Hello. Lily. Hi, Prissy girl. Come on, Miss Priss. Well, they could do something like that. Priss. And then that way. Oh, you're potting. Good girl. Hi, Prissy. Hi, Miss Priss. You don't come see me. Well, hello. What you been doing? Huh? It's been a while, huh? Yes, it has. Say hi to Lily. Jelly. Jelly roll. Jelly. Come on, Jelly Belly. Come on, Jelly Belly. Let's go walk. Come on. Come on. You guys aren't spoiled, huh? Y'all just want to be in the air condition, huh? It's not that bad out right now. No, it's not, Jelly Belly. Lily. Come on, Miss Priss. Hey, Miss Prissy. Good girl, Cookie. Did you come out to join the other girls? Huh? Yeah, you're such a pretty girl, Cookie, but I know you don't like many people. Oh, you little girl. Say it's college. I see yas. Good cock. Good girl. It's okay. I'm not going to bother you. You go ahead, go make potties. Good girl, Cook.